Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share how my daughter learned to read when she was just 2 years old. No expensive programs, no pressure, and definitely no flashcards. Just a simple routine using her favorite book, and it worked like magic. Let me walk you through exactly what we did. The first step is to let your child choose a book they truly love. In our case, it was, well, she was obsessed with it. She wanted to carry it everywhere and flip through the pages all day. That passion made all the difference. Next, I looked for a video on YouTube where someone was reading that exact same book aloud.
Today I'm going to read the book Ruby Red Shoes to you.
Then I played it again and again. While she played, ate, or even before bed, just the audio in the background helped a lot. She started recognizing the rhythm and the words without even realizing she was learning. Every night before bed, we would read that same book together. I didn't worry about changing books too soon. I just wanted her to feel confident and familiar with the words. Repetition is a superpower at this age. After a few weeks, I started reading the sentences aloud. But I paused before the last word and let her say it. Like this.
But he followed her everywhere. Okay.
Over time, she didn't just memorize the book. She started recognizing real words. Reading became fun, not forced. And that's the secret. Follow their interest and build on it with love and consistency. If you're a parent looking for a simple way to help your child fall in love with reading, try this method.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, come back to my skin.
Today,
We'll read Ruby Red Shoes to you. Ruby Red Shoes with a white hair. Hey boy guys, like subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.
have a good day.
Have a good day. See you soon.